In this video, we will see together le futur proche, but more precisely, we will try to understand the reason why it is connected to the present. So, le futur proche is quite useful because normally we tend to use that a lot when we talk. And the way to construct this futur proche, this near future concept, is the verb aller that we will put in the present form. And after that, we will simply put the verb in the infinitive. So this is simple, this is not really tricky. Of course, you should definitely master the conjugation of the verb aller in the present tense. But in that case, let's try to see why it would be connected to the present. And the interesting thing in that case is the fact that the use of the present tense for aller gives you the feeling that the future action is related to the present in a way or another. And this is when the grammar meets psychology. Because in your head, and this is just a fact, by using this aller verb in the present tense, it will give you the feeling that this future action is connected to the present. And so now to make it more clear, we will compare the futur proche and then le futur simple. Remember, le futur simple is the real future tense. So le futur proche, let's take this sentence. Je vais faire mes devoirs. So in that situation, as you can see, we're using the verb aller that we conjugate in the present. Je vais. Then we put the infinitive of the verb, faire, and then we finish the sentence, mes devoirs. Je vais faire mes devoirs. If we take exactly the same sentence, but then we put that in the futur simple. So in that situation, we will use the verb faire. We will put the verb faire in the futur simple form. Je ferai mes devoirs. So we can see that in that situation, we've got two different sentences that clearly, in both of the cases, express something that is about to happen, that will happen in the future. But because in that situation here, for the futur proche, we are using the present, it will clearly link this future action to the present. So in fact, I will think that this is most likely, I mean, it's sure that it will happen in the future. But then by using here the futur simple, this connection with the present doesn't exist at all. So this is the future, and with this concept of the future, in fact, you don't really have a certainty about it. In that case, you have a certainty about it. Je vais faire mes devoirs. I really have the feeling that it is going to happen.